This video shows you how to make a delicious, healthy vegetable soup perfect as a snack between meals or as a starter before a meal. Details of the ingredients we used are listed in the description box below. First, you need to chop up the vegetables into small pieces. You could use whichever vegetables you like. Here we used 4 small courgettes, which are also known as zucchinis, and 1 carrot. I like to chop them into small pieces so that when I eat, you can have everything in one bite, but feel free to cut them bigger if you prefer. Next, put the chopped vegetables into a large pot. We also added about 1 cup of chickpeas and 1 cup of sweet corn, and then enough hot water to cover all the veggies well. We also added 1 large onion that we slit through and 3 large cloves of garlic. Then we add the herbs and spices, 2 tablespoons of dried coriander, cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning or veggie stock, a pinch of grounded black pepper, and then mix it up well and let it boil. Leave it on a low to medium heat for about 20 minutes so the veggies can boil. You can also cover the pan with a lid to let it cook. I then added half a cup of oats. This is optional. It doesn't change the flavour but makes the consistency a little thicker. This also helps to make the soup more of a meal because it's more filling. We let it boil for about 15 more minutes. You can tell when it's ready once the vegetables have cooked. Depending on which vegetables you use, this time can vary. As soon as it's done, it will be ready to serve. It tastes best when hot or at least warm. We topped it off with some lime juice and fresh coriander. This tastes delicious. We hope you enjoy and thanks for watching.